Alright, today I'm going to be cleaning out this original Nintendo controller. Very easy fix. Right now what it's doing is it's not as responsive. A lot of debris in between, and I guarantee you onto the pads, onto the traces, onto everything. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. Start taking it apart. Right, into bin number 2. Everything goes. Even the tip, huh? Okay. Okay. Just remove the back cover. Not too bad back there. I can already start seeing all this debris on here, so she's going to be dirty. And carefully up with it. Yeah, see, this needs to be cleaned. Also, these pads and all this, see that? Just nasty. So what I like to do is I'm going to take this, and all this stuff here into the kitchen sink and scrub the living shit out of it. Alright, as you can see, I have everything nice and cleaned. Now I'm just going to let it dry, so I'm going to file that off to the side over there. Hey, shout out to my old toothbrush. Alright, first things first, I'm going to clean this wire, because there's like, whatever the hell that is on there. Oh man, it's dropping over here. Some old school nastiness on here. Just going to lightly spray the whole surface. Usually I don't like to do that, but in this case, it's okay. Scrub it all down, like so. Go in circle motions, go. Hey, screwdriver, get the hell out of here. Damn screwdriver. Trying to troll me. Bad enough I got enough trolls online, right? Just gonna do this here, this surface. Junkage out of here. Trying to speed up the drying process here. Wow, look at this. Wow, this button is worn out like crazy. Holy shit. Okay, do this here like this. There we go. See that? Now let's put everything back together, right? Directional pad. This here. Like so. Okay. Oops, wrong way. This goes here. This one's worn out like crazy. I'm going to put this one as the B button, this one's the A button. Like so. And then this goes here. Oh, wrong way. I think it goes this way. Okay, what am I doing wrong here, guys? It's supposed to go like that. Oh, you know what? I did it wrong. You guys should have said something. I'm doing this all upside down. Backwards. Well, at least this one's right, but this one's not. So it goes this way. That's looking better, right? So this goes here, like so. Okay, gonna hold that. And then wire, I believe it went this way, came back around, right? No, it went like this, somehow like this, and then came out this way. Am I messing this up or what? Okay, wait a minute. This. Like that. and then came out this way. There we go. Just going to use this to push this down. It's going to sit like that. Then that's all going to go there. Just make sure there's nothing here. A little bit of a lint from that towel. What is that? Okay, good. Okay, what do we got going on here? There we go. Make sure this is all right. If I put it back in, select that. BA. Okay. That feels good. Final snug. Alright, here we have it. Completely cleaned inside and out. Let's go test her out, right? Yeah. Alright, let's test her out. What game you guys want? Let's just pick a... You know what, something that I know. Right here, 22. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice one, huh? So far, so good. Give it one last try. Take my time this time. Come on. Oh! Anyways, as you can see, she is working. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Guys and gals, have a good one. I'm out of here. On to the next project we go. Cheers.